Vultures have some incredible abilities. Their stomach acids can digest rotting meat, including dangerous diseases like rabies. These skilled birds can soar for hours without flapping, using air currents to stay aloft. As nature's cleanup crew, they quickly remove carcasses, preventing the spread of disease. With vision up to 8 times sharper than ours, vultures spot food from miles away. Unlike other predators, they're patient hunters, waiting for prey to be dead before feeding, and their bald heads keep them clean while they feast. Vultures are nature's unsung heroes, doing vital work with patience and precision.